Kangaroos are indigenous to Australia and New Guinea. The red kangaroo is the largest surviving marsupial anywhere in the world. The large kangaroos continue growing throughout life, especially the males. A large male red kangaroos can be 2 meters tall and weigh 90 kilograms. The western gray kangaroo is slightly smaller again, at about 54 kilograms for a large male. Kangaroos are shy and retiring by nature, and in normal circumstances, present no threat to humans. Kangaroos are adept swimmers. The lifespan of kangaroos averages at 6 years in the wild, to in excess of 20 years in captivity, varying by the species. The comfortable hopping speed, for a red kangaroo, is about 20 to 25 kilometers per hour. Kangaroos are nocturnal and crepuscular, usually spending the hot days resting in shade, and the cool evenings, nights and mornings moving about, and feeding. Kangaroos are herbivorous, and have a chambered stomach, that is functionally similar to those of such ruminants, as cattle and sheep. Their long tails are used for balancing. The large kangaroos use the tail as a third leg, when standing still. Kangaroos reaching sexual maturity by age 2. Estrus females roam widely, and attract the attention of males, with conspicuous signals. The male will then proceed to approach her slowly to avoid alarming her, and copulation will follow, and the copulation is also long. After copulation is over, the male will move on to another female. Along with dingoes, introduced species such as foxes, feral cats, and both domestic and feral dogs pose a threat to kangaroo populations. Female kangaroos have a pouch called a marsupium, in which joeys complete postnatal development. Cradle baby kangaroos are called joeys. In the largest red kangaroo species, the neonate emerges after only 33 days. Usually, only one young is born at a time. Joey is born at a very immature stage, when it is only about 2 centimeters long, and weighs less than a gram. It is blind, hairless, and only a few centimeters long. Immediately after birth, it uses its already clawed and well-developed forelimbs to crawl up the mother's body and enter the pouch, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once in the pouch, it fastens onto one of the 4 teats and starts to feed. At around 4 months, the joey emerges from the pouch for short trips and to graze on grass and small shrubs. The joey gradually spends more and more time outside the pouch, which it leaves completely at 7 to 10 months of age. They give birth once a year. Wild kangaroos are shot for meat, leather hides, and to protect grazing land. Kangaroos are harvested by highly skilled, licensed shooters in accordance with a strict code of practice, and are protected by state and federal legislation. Kangaroo meat has perceived health benefits for human consumption, compared with traditional meats, due to the low level of fat on kangaroos. Kangaroo meat is high in protein and low in fat. Kangaroo meat is exported to many countries around the world. However, it is not considered biblically kosher by Jews or Adventists. It is considered halal, according to Muslim dietary standards, because kangaroos are herbivorous.